Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up a dynamic wallpaper on your iOS 27. Simply open your settings, press on General, and you get software update option. Press on to software update, must be update your iOS 27. I'm already updated my iOS 27. So go back, go to your main settings page, scroll down, and you get wallpaper option. Press on to wallpaper and add new wallpaper. Scroll down, showing it to iOS 27. To select any on, and this is only iOS 27 wallpaper. If you want to set dynamic wallpaper, swipe right to left side, showing it to dynamic option. Okay. As you can see, now set up dynamic. Press on to add and set up this. That's it.